For hardware enthusiasts who are always looking to improve performance without breaking the bank, Thermalright has always been an excellent option. Their Peerless Assassin and Phantom Spirit CPU coolers are some of the best air coolers on the market, and they've outdone themselves again. The new Royal Pretor 130 is a beefy, high-performance air cooler that outperforms a lot of AIOs. This cooler is a massive improvement over the already incredible Phantom Spirit 120. The Pretor 130 is designed for higher-end CPUs with TDPs upwards of 260 watts. Somehow, it's also quieter because of the optimized fan bearing and larger fan size that reduces high RPM needs. However, it is more expensive than the Phantom Spirit. Design-wise, black is the only word that comes to mind when looking at this cooler. Similar to the Noctua NHD15 Chromax Black, this is a gigantic dual-tower cooler with everything painted black. The fins, heat pipes, the fans, and even the fan clips. On top, you'll find Thermalright branding along with their logo in the corner. An interesting thing about this cooler is that it features one 120mm and one 130mm fan, each with a thickness of 28mm. This is unusual for most air coolers, but it's a simple and effective approach for enabling more airflow. The heatsink has an overall height of 158mm, so it will fit into most ATX cases. If you have a micro ATX case, fitting this cooler will be very difficult. Ultimately, that's the main downside of this cooler. It delivers fantastic performance for the money, but people with smaller cases will have a hard time installing it. It's also worth noting that not everyone loves the look of a gigantic air cooler, so that's something to consider as well. Performance-wise, this cooler is very impressive with higher-end CPUs. With a 14700K, this cooler manages to handle wattages as high as 240 watts. Even with such high power consumption, temperatures hover at around 80 degrees. For more realistic real-world use, such as gaming, expect temperatures in the 60 to 65 range. Older CPUs, such as the 5800X, fare even better. This is where the cooler really shines. If you have an older chip, you can slap this cooler on, overclock it, and get exceptional performance for a very long time. This will eventually delay your CPU upgrade for a while, which is quite a big deal considering the low price. As for the maximum noise levels, this cooler tops out at 45 decibels at full fan speed. While that's considerably high, you won't be running this cooler at 100% fan speed anytime soon. The bigger, thicker fans move a lot of air, so you can easily get away with a fan speed range of 50 to 75%. With that fan profile, noise levels immediately drop to under 40 decibels. Thermalright released this cooler to compete with the Noctua NHD15 G2. The Noctua cooler has slightly better performance, similar low noise levels, and excellent build quality. So does the Royal Pretor 130, and it's almost 3 times cheaper. In my books, that's a pretty easy win for Thermalright. It will be hard for any other cooler to compete at this price. In conclusion, if you can manage to fit this cooler in your case, you'll be a very happy customer. The sheer size will steer some people away, but if you go with it, you'll get chart-topping performance at a very reasonable price. To sum up, what I like is the highly aggressive price, the unparalleled performance for the money, the reasonable noise levels, and the clean all-black design. On the downside, it won't work with most micro ATX cases. Thanks for staying till the end. Remember, you can check current prices in the description below.